Hi kids! Welcome back to TinyTunesTV. Today we're going to meet a very special friend. Can you guess who? She gives us milk. And she has big, beautiful eyes. It's our lovely friend, the cow. Let's say hello to our cow friend. Everyone say it together. Hello, cow. Did you know? Our cow gives us yummy milk every day. We drink it and we make ice cream, butter, cheese, and of course, our glass of milk. Now, let's see what cow eats. She loves to munch on green grass. Jump, jump. She also eats dry hay and grains. Yum! Cow is full now. And guess what? A baby cow is called can you say it? It's a calf. Say it with me. Calf. Yay! Cow is gentle, kind, and calm. People love her very much. She lives on the farm and loves to rest in the shade of trees. Now it's time to dance with cow. Stand up and move like a cow. Cow, dance with me. Walk so slow. 1, 2, 3. Swish your tail and stomp the ground. Cow goes all around. Wow, that was fun, right, kids? Our cow friend is amazing. Let's all say, thank you, cow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TinyTunesTV. See you in the next fun video. Bye!